Hi guys, this is Devajyoti here. Hope you guys are doing well. Different as the monsoon season has already started. Stepping out of the house is not always possible. So in today's video I will show you how to get 2 Dominos pizza getting delivered at your doorstep at 153 rupees via the Zomato promotional offer which is going on. So without any further ado, let's get started. So at first you need to enable the location from your settings, and after that from your menu you need to go to Google Play Store or iOS App Store, and from iOS App Store or Google Play Store you need to search for the app named Zomato. After searching the app, install the app, and after installing it you need to sign in the app. I signed in with my Gmail account or my Google services. You can create a new account or log in via Facebook also. After successfully logging into the app, click on order food online, and from there select Domino's Pizza. And after selecting Domino's Pizza you will be asked to input your address, so input the city and the locality. From the menu you need to select everyday value offers, and from there regular pizzas. Once we click there we get a variety of options like 99, 139. I would suggest you guys go for the 139 because 99 are the most cheapest one and doesn't taste that good. After that you need to select your choice of pizza, from farmhouse to pepi paneer to veggie paradise, paneer makhan. I haven't added any extra toppings. You can choose 2 pizzas of the same type or 2 different kinds of pizzas. This offer is only valid if you pay through online and not by cash on delivery, and there is another limitation of this offer. It gives discount up to 150 rupees. In the promo code section you need to input new 50, and after applying the new 50 you will get 50% discount up to 150 rupees of your bill amount. after that you have to pay it by any online method. I am using SBI internet banking, and after successfully paying online, your order is complete. Thank you. Thanks. So these are the two pizzas, guys. And over here, this is the veggie paradise. It has got olives, capsicum, jalapeno and sweet corns and tons of cheese. This one also looks very colorful and tasty at the same time. And this one is the pepper barbecue with onion. It has got chunks of barbecued pepper chicken cubes. Both of them tasted very nice.
Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.